Today I'm going to teach you how to draw an airplane. So I like to start with my tail. Then I go across the top of the airplane. When I get towards the end, I make a little bump there, but then I keep going to make the nose of the plane. Before I go any further, I would like to do the wings. They are a little bit like a triangle shape, a long triangle shape. One is on this side and one is on the other side because we're looking at the plane from one view. Then I like to match it up. This over here is the nose of the plane. And this is the window where the pilots sit in the cockpit. And the windows have like an oval egg shape. Different airplanes have got different pictures on the tail. The one for New Zealand has this kind of design, so I'm going to do that one there. Here you go, the plane.